for the first time in Durban.
Okay. So, when did you gain access to his penthouse?
And towards the end of January.
So you have known him for less than a month, or a month?
A month, yes.
Did it not concern you that someone, a stranger, offers you to live at his place freely? There is no relationship, there is no association, there is completely nothing. You only met once or twice, then there is this hospitality towards you, given these problems that he has presented before you, given your experience in the police service. Was there no concern that what might be at stakes here, that I'm given this hospitality by a stranger? Was a person you have known for a month. It's probably a stranger where you don't know much about that person. So did it not raise some discomfort and some concerns that you are really offered this hospitality by a stranger?
No, I took it. I took it. I'm not in government, so if I'm in Pretoria, I pay my money. There is a hotel that I spent. Yes, I'm in Pretoria and I'm not paying, and I took it. And if I were in government, I would have gone and declared, but I declare to nobody now.
Okay, that's fine. So your evidence is that